fact, it is often claimed that since Commodus was the first ever surviving biological male heir of an emperor, that his privileged upbringing kept him too out of touch to rule effectively. Throughout his 12-year reign, Commodus frequently reminded people that he was born to the purple, but he would be succeeded by a man whose background was the exact opposite. Commodus's successor was Pertinax, the son of a freed slave and a man whose meteoric ascent to the height of Roman power was made possible through his capabilities as a military commander and civil administrator, not blue blood or family connections. Pertinax had all the characteristics of an excellent emperor, and his unlikely rise represented the incredible societal changes occurring in the prosperous 2nd century.